Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform bulk actions and edits to your Visis across your project. So what we want to do is we first want to navigate to the relevant location page. So I'm just going to go to the overall project location page, which shows me every single Visi that I have access to. And from here, I want to apply the relevant filters. So I'm going to apply that the Visi type is an issue and the issue type is a defect. And I'm also going to narrow this down by drilling through my location tree into level 1. I also want to apply the filter of Visis that are open. And then from here, I'm going to select all of these Visis, or I could select individual ones that need to change. Once all of the relevant Visis have been highlighted, you'll see that a module bar appears at the bottom of your screen where you can hit edit. And then the bulk edit actions are, you can change the assignee in bulk, you can add review steps, add a viewer, location, change the due date, and add a milestone to your Visis. So in my circumstance, I want to change the review steps. I'm going to hit reviewers, and then I want the first reviewer to be Visibuild, and I want the second reviewer to be the client. And as you'll notice, I'll update these, and immediately they filter to the top. It's super easy to edit your Visis in bulk. Furthermore, I can change the filters now to inspections, for example, that have been completed because I want to export these out of the platform. I can select every single completed inspection that I have within level 1. I can go to the export button in the module bar, and I can export this either as a CSV, so I can edit it in Excel. I can export it as QR codes because, as you know, every single Visi has its own QR code. And I can also export this as a PDF. And you'll have a few different options. You'll have full details, comfortable, and compact. Whereas comfortable and compact will be more of a hit list, giving you summaries of just status and what the Visi is itself with a picture. Whereas full details will provide every little detail within the Visi, including all of the attachments, when and who completed the tasks, and what requirements have been fulfilled. And if I export that, I'll get an email, and that email will include exports that look a little bit like this. So you can see an overview of how the overall status of the tasks. And if I scroll down, you'll see all of those images that will appear. You have this view larger button where you can actually open it up and see it in full screen. So that's how you can bulk export items out of Visibuild. Further to that, let's move across to another location, for example, level 2. And I look for, particular Visis that I know have been created by mistake. So I know that these pre-pour checks and concrete pour suspended slab ITPs or inspections have been created incorrectly. They shouldn't be in this location. It's a duplicate. What I can do is I can hit more and actually archive these Visis and fully remove them from the project. Don't worry, you can always get archive Visis back simply by filtering for them. So if you look across the top, you'll see this more filter, and at the bottom, you'll see archived, where all of those will appear. Thanks, guys.